looks like a good lunge.
Hey, how are you? That's a pretty easy little ramp too.
Yeah, it is. Thanks, dude. It's pretty good with a boat attached.
So nice and easy.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is cool. You're like right on the water.
Yeah. It's a little green, but not nearly as bad as the snake. You should have seen it in March.
Was it green?
Oh, you were up there.
Oh yeah, it was nasty out there in Marsing, yeah.
Throw water out of the bag.
No, do it. Yeah. Just missed it.
The motor and kind of get your dick over the edge.
Nice. Oh, maybe I'll hold it. Well, I might as well go right now, huh? I'm nervous, okay?
Alright, don't worry, I'm not videoing you. Dang!
Holy shit.
Alright, is that a smallmouth?
It's a big, yeah, it's a smallmouth.
First one!
Jeez Louise. Dude, they weren't kidding about these bass.
Bro.
That's a
Oh, he
monster.
flipped off. Nice. Grip, baby. Quick grip his lip. Oh, backflip.
I didn't want him to fall out. I gotta weigh him first.
Yeah, dude.
Holy cow.
Dang,
Here,
dude.
take a picture of me real quick.
Oh, we're going into the shore.
Holy shit.
Oh, turn around.
Hold on, let me get us safe
Yeah.
here. Okay.
Nick's gotta get this dang fish. I've heard that bass aren't really the best to eat though. Yeah.
Some people like them, but they're kind of weird.
Yeah. How'd you anchor us? How does that work?
It's got a GPS in it and a sensor on the bottom, a ski on the bottom.
No way.
You just hit a button and go.
That's cool.
Okay. Whoa!
Try to take it under.
Bring it over here.
Oh!
Oh!
Whoa!
Hey, got it.
I just want to make sure we got it.
Let's go. Smallmouth?
Nice.
Yeah, let's get the hook out of it.
Get
so you
that
don't
treble. I think he's hooked by 2 hooks on the treble hook. Yeah.
Nice.
Nice one, Nick. Clean, dude.
Nice. Look at that young man. There he goes.
Woo!
Nice. Now put it really close so it looks huge.
Oh, dude, it looks so big on camera.
Oh, yeah. Done. Where's your actual hook, Nick? It's.
Think there's anything up deeper?
Maybe.
I need a large mouth.
I need a small mouth. No teeth.
Picture.
Pull him away with it. Oh.
Yeah, bring her up.
Bring her up. Hold the crowd.
Go. Yeah.
Yeah.
Best one of the day.
Right.
We're not gonna weigh it.
Nice. Good work. Look at this.
Nice.
Oh.
Oh.
When we were up there last weekend, one of the, not us, but the other boat, one of our friends, he was running a jig and he got a bite, he popped it, set the hook, and when it came up, the fish was dead. Like 100% dead. The hook had gone in its mouth and straight up through its brain.
Oh.
When he set it just went straight.
That's crazy. What the heck?
I wonder if there's bigger fish more towards the entrance.
Nice. Oh, cool. Right on time, too. Look at that. I got 3 lines coming out of 1. Pull it forever. There we go. You guys just keep going. Until I have no line left.
Are we
See on his lure.
I don't have enough pressure.
How much line you got left?
Not much. Check this out. Oh, it's bald. If I cast it, I wonder if this is just gonna come off. Let's see. Looks a little secret here.
Fish on there.
Fish TV. That was nice. That was sweet. Reverse! So, if you put it in reverse, does it just suck?
No, it moves a deflector.
Yeah, might be it. Oh. Check that out, Brayden. Look at that. We like to see that. The sun put the fish to bed. These are cool pliers. I like these.
They're the Amazon special.
All right, they look greased up too. So it just came with a lipper for free?
Uh-huh.
All right. Ow, it really pinches too. Like, it's not bad.
Imagine that in your mouth.
Medium
Holding your
Pinching
whole
action.
weight.
Medium pinching action.
You cruelty-tool fishies today.
Check this out.
What do you got in there?
Give me some of this.
Hey, that's pretty cool. What is that?
Alcohol spray.
What, in case you hook yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Or so you can wipe the hands clean?
Yep. So you can just get those things clean.
That's cool.
Mm-hmm. Nice for fishing. It just doesn't take like dirt off, you know.
Yeah.